Hello there guys and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Owl-Carousel 2 in your web project. First up, go to the Owl-Carousel website, which I'll be linking in the description, and download the files that we'll be needing for this. Once the download is done, place the zip in your project folder and extract the files there. And once the extraction is done, navigate to disk and copy either of these two files. For this example, I'm going with the minified version and place it in your project directory. Again, navigate to dist and assets and copy the Owl-Carousel min and owl theme default CSS files and place it in your project directory. Now we can get rid of these two titles. Now open this directory in your project. In this example, I'm going with the VS Code, and let's create our index file. Let's give it a title. Let's create our style.css and script.js files. Let's just get rid of the default spacing here. Now let's link the style sheets. First, link the Owl-Carousel CSS. And the owl theme default min.css. Then the style.css. After this, head to the jQuery website and pick the recent version of jQuery and paste the script above all of your scripts. And please make sure that the linking of files should be in this order only. If not, just your carousel won't work properly. In the script, link the Owl-Carousel min.js. Let's link our script as well. So once this is done, head to the Owl-Carousel website and open the documentation. So this gives you the documentation on how to use and where to find the files in your Owl-Carousel. Let's skip all of that and head to the installation. So in the installation part, we have completed all this, and for the DOM structure, we would need to create a dev wrapper with the class of Owl-Carousel for the carousel to work. So let's do just that. And inside the Owl-Carousel class, each of your carousel item should have a class called as item. And inside it you can have anything you want. For the sake of the example, I'm going with an image. So let's create a couple of items. Alright. Now let's move to the documentation. Before that, let us just hit the project and see how that looks. As you can see, presently you cannot see anything in the on a browser because the Owl-Carousel by default has display none property coming from Owl-Carousel min CSS. So what we need to do now is to call the script for Owl-Carousel. If we go a little bit below, we'll find a jQuery script. Just copy that and paste it into the script.js that we linked earlier in the project. And please make sure that the script comes after the Owl-Carousel and the jQuery comes above all. Now if you refresh your screen, you will see the Owl-Carousel working perfectly with 3 elements by default and 0 margin. Of course, we can change that by passing an object into the Owl-Carousel function. Let us say I need 4 items. There we have it. And let's say now I need a margin of 10. And there we get a margin. So these values could be found in the API options in the Owl-Carousel documentation, where you can find several ways to modify your Owl-Carousel as per the wish you want. So I'm just let me show you how to make your Owl-Carousel responsive for the devices. For that, specify a responsive class as true. Mistake. Alright. Now we will pass another object to the responsive key, which will specify it should look for different width of the screens. From 0 width to any, I need to display 1.2 items per view with a margin of 5. And for about 768 pixel and more, I need to display 3.2 items per view with a margin of 10. And for 1024 pixel and more, I'd about 4.2 items per view and margin of 10. Okay, let's quickly go and refresh. We have here another. I believe it is from the responsive class. Of course it is. Oh, I forgot to comma there. You can see we have about 4.2 items for display, which is more than 1024 pixels, and for a screen with 758 pixels, you can see we have about 3.2 items that we specified, and for even smaller displays we have 1.2 items per view with about 5 margin. And as you can see, this carousel is currently not looped. That is, you can either go this way to the end till the carousel ends and you cannot come back. So what we can do for that is give loop is true. So what this will do is loop your carousel so it scrolls infinite times in the loop. So that's it for the basic Owl-Carousel, guys. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching.